Intelligent and efficient wheat and maize milling equipment. Adopting the long technical process of milling system and the popular European dry cleaning system, the total power is 1650 kW and the capacity is 500 T, 24H. Precise milling process ensures that every grain can be evenly ground, and the final product is uniform and of high quality. Our milling equipment is widely used in all kinds of farms, flour mills, food processing enterprises and so on. Whether for large-scale industrial production or small-scale self-employment, we offer high-quality and efficient milling solutions. High efficiency and stability for high-quality flour.